Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are heading to Target. These deals run from May the 12th. Oh my gosh, can't believe it's already May, all the way to May the 18th, 2024. Please check out the printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any deals down. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. In this video, we're going to be doing a giveaway. This is for a $25 giveaway because I reached 5,000 subscribers. That's right. I've reached 5,000 subscribers, so I'm doing a $25 giveaway. In order to be entered in the giveaway, this is what you must do. You must make sure that you like this video, you comment your favorite deal of the day, that you subscribe to my channel, and when I reach 50 comments, I'll be doing a raffle for $25 gift card at Target. So let's get to 50 comments so we can do that raffle. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on some digital deals at Target. Anytime this deal comes up where if you buy three products, you get a free Band-Aid brand bag, I always do this. So these bags are usually $5.99. They're the perfect little bags to be able to stick in your car, put in your beach bag, your pool bag, whatever it may be. We have them in all of our cars in our house, and then I have these bags all over the place. I got one in my medicine cabinet. I've got one in the kitchen. So just a good little bag, and could be possibly a good bag if you're sending a kid off to college to put things in. So these are $5.99, and you're going to be getting them totally free with the three things that I'm telling you to buy next. So if you look at the printable breakdown, I highlighted them in blue for you. So the first thing I picked up were the flexible fabric band-aids. These are $3.79. Now another person might tell you to get the gauze pads. I'm not going to tell you to get the gauze pads because I'm practical, and these types of band-aids are practical. So we're getting the cheapest ones, but the most practical ones. So flexible fabric is my favorite ones. These are $3.79, and there is a $1 coupon that you see there. It's going to make these band-aids $2.79. And this is part of the spend three, get a free bag. So one thing in our bag, good to go. Next thing is going to be on the Neosporin. Now the Neosporin is a little bit pricier. It's at $4.99. If you didn't buy the Band-Aid in the previous one I showed you, you can get a Neosporin and it could be $1 off. But because you have to buy either or, you can't use the coupon. Only works for the Band-Aid brand or the Neosporin. You can't use the coupon for both of them. It's not going to work. So you can use a coupon on one. So I didn't do that. So $4.99 on the Neosporin, that goes in the bag. So that will be $1 off if you still had the coupon, if you didn't use it on the Band-Aids, but I already did. So $4.99 for that one. And then on top of that, I also picked up one of the Benadryl travel sizes. It's the 47th ounce of the Benadryl. Is $3.29. There is a $1 coupon that is attaching. So you'll have a $1 coupon on the Band-Aid or Neosporin and a $1 coupon on the Benadryl. So with this Benadryl, it's going to make it $2.29. So you're going to be getting all four products for $10.07, or about $2.52 each. Remember, we're getting that bag totally free, so that's a good deal. Let me know in the comments if you find any other deals that are even better than that one. I've never tried this Poppy Doc Pop Prebiotic Soda before. It's a little expensive at $2.49 a can. I checked Food Lion, same type of price there at Food Lion, but this week at Target, they are buy four, get one free. So what you're going to do is pick up five of them. Your total will be $12.45 because you're getting one for free. That's $2.49 is going to come off your total. And so it'll make these $9.96 at the register. Have you guys ever tried these before? Like, is it worth it? I usually don't buy things like this, but I guess it's a popular thing. Then, in addition to that, if you go to Ibotta, there's 50 cents back on each one, which is awesome because some people only have 25 cents back. And then in addition to that, we have two bonuses that are stacking. So when you buy two, which we're going to do, you'll get 50 cents back. And when you buy four, you'll get $1 back. So all that is stacking, so you'll be able to get all that. So you'll get $2.50 with the bonus. You'll get 50 cents back with the stacking bonus, and $1 back with the stacking bonus, which is a total of $4 you'll get back. Making this Poppy $5.96 or about $1.19 each on those. So decent deal. Now, the Neutrogena sunscreen. This is the travel size sunscreen, the 1 fluid ounce. You may find it in the travel section, you may find it in the regular section. I love these to put in my purse because I don't like when I'm driving my car for any sun to get on my hands. I'm very freckly on my hands, so I keep sunscreen on my hands at all times. So these are $1.99. There is a $2 Target coupon that is attaching. So that $2 Target coupon is going to come down to $1.99. It's not going to be at $2. It's going to come down to $1.99, making this a total freebie. So this is an easy peasy deal. You don't have to do anything with this one. Just pick it up and make sure that coupon's clipped for $2. Now, Dollar Shave Club. What is your opinion on Dollar Shave Club? We're not a big fan of it in our house, but I do like the Dollar Shave Club Acne Shaving Cream. That's not bad at all, the foam. So it's $8.99, which is a little high. So what you're going to do is pick up three of these. Your total for all three of them is going to be $26.97. Because we're getting three of them, there is a buy three, get a $5 gift card. So with that $5 gift card, it's going to bring your total down to $21.97. Now, you know that's still too high for buying some shaving cream. But of course, we've got our good old friend Ibotta coming in for the deal. So there is a $3.50 Ibotta rebate that you can do on each one. So we're getting three of these, $3.50 back. You're going to get back $10.50. So with the gift card, $5, and the Ibotta rebate, the total is going to be $11.47 or about $3.83 each. I would only pick this deal up if you are in need of shaving products. I would pass on this deal if you are not in need. It's just not as good as you can get it in some other places. I'm not very particular about shaving cream. So 383 is a little expensive for each one. Now, Benadryl. We always have Benadryl on a hand in our house. Actually, in the little medicine bag that I was talking about earlier, I keep a box of Benadryl. So the Benadryl allergy, this is the 24 tablets. You're going to pick up two of them. They are usually $6.49. The total is $12.98. Because you pick up two, you're going to get back a $5 gift card. With that $5 gift card, the Benadryl allergy is going to be $7.98 or about $3.99 per box of Benadryl allergy. This is definitely going to be a pickup one for me. Also check to make sure if you don't have any coupons or anything else like that out there. I didn't see any. Great deal on this Dave's Killer Bread Snacks. Now, these have been out at all over the stores, Walmart, wherever, but this is going to be a good deal. So the deal is killer. Get it? Killer. Okay. Anyways, so you're going to pick up one of these. They're usually $6.19 each. There is a store rebate on the no store percentage off. So it's 20% off at the store. 20% off at the store is going to come off at the register, which is going to make them $4.95. Then, on top of that, there's a $2 coupon that you need to clip. So, with that $2 coupon and that 20% off, it's going to make these $2.95 at the register. But there's more. If you go to Ibotta, there is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate on this one. It could be done up to 5 times, but for this deal, I only told you to pick up one. So, with the coupon of $2, the 20% off, and the Ibotta rebate of $2.45, $2.50, it's going to make these snacks 45 cents. And even if this is something you don't eat Always a good item to pick up and put in your donation box. We have not had a moneymaker or a freebie on toothpaste in so long, so I got really excited when I saw this. And this isn't one that I use. I usually use the Arm& and Hammer toothpaste, so I will be donating this. This is the Crest Scope toothpaste. We're going to pick up one of these. They are $3.49. Now, with this, there is a $2 coupon that you must clip that is attaching. With that $2 coupon, it's going to make this toothpaste $1.49. Then you're going to go over to Ibotta. On Ibotta, there is a toothpaste rebate on the Crest for $2 back. This can be done only one time. So with that $2 coupon and that $2 Ibotta rebate, it's going to make this Crest toothpaste just a money maker, an awesome, awesome money maker of 51 cents. All right, so I'm going to show you a Nivea deal, and this Nivea deal is going to be, it's usually about $21 for all three boxes, for all three bottles of this Nivea, but we're going to be getting all three bottles for less than $1. That's right. So pay attention. There are a couple steps. We're going to be using a couple different apps for this one, but it is well worth it because Nivea lotion is the best. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up two of these Nivea Intense Healing Lotions. They are $7.29 each. Your total is going to be $14.58. Okay, so picking up two of these, we're going to pick up another one here in a minute. Just follow along. Then you are going to head on over to Ibotta. No, you are going to head on over to Swagbucks. Swagbucks has $2 back. This can only be done one time. Okay, so you're going to get back $2 on one of them. And then you're going to go on over to ShopMium. ShopMium has $2 back. So right now, we've got $2 back from Swagbucks and $2 back from ShopMium. Okay, that's $4 that we're getting back already with just using our phone, which you know is my favorite things to do. Now, if you've never used Swagbucks, there's a referral code in the description box. Click on that. You get a kickback. I get a kickback as well. It's a great app. I love using it. Then, on top of that, we're going to Shopkicks. Shopkicks has back 600 scans and kicks. Okay, and I think we can only do it once. We may be able to do it more, but Shopkicks is 600 scans and kicks. We're going to get back $2.40 from Shopkicks. In addition to that, we're going to get back $2.50 from Ibotta, but we're going to get it back twice because it's, we can get limit of 5. So that's $5 back. So Shopkicks, $2.40 back. Swagbucks, $2 back. Ibotta, $5 back. And that coupon, $2 back. So both of those Nivea lotions right now, $3.18. That's where we're at. We're at $3.18. Now, you are going to get the larger Nivea. This is the 6.8 ounce. It's $6.99 for these. $6.99. Now, last week I used my Nivea coupon for $2 back. You should still have yours. So use that Nivea coupon for $2 back. Okay? Check it out. You should have that. So right now it's going to bring our total down to $4.99 with that $6.99 Nivea, that $2 coupon, we're at $4.99. In addition to that, again, you're going to head on over to Shopkicks. If you do not have a Shopkicks account, look in my description box for a referral code. You get a kickback, I get a kickback as well. Now, there are 560 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.24. So, this Nivea is going to cost $2.75. Now remember, we had this one for $2.75 and the other two bottles for $3.18. So right now we've got all three bottles for $5.93. But don't forget, because we bought three bottles, we're going to get back a $5 gift card. Getting back that $5 gift card is going to make all three bottles 93 cents or about 31 cents a bottle. This is the best deal of the day. Let me know if you score on this. Now, this is not a deal I would run and get, but if you are in need of detergent, there is a decent deal on some of the All Free and Clear and Lysol. This is part of the buy three, get a $10 gift card. So if this is something you need, This might be something you want to pick up this week. So, what I ended up doing for this is I got 2 bottles of all, and I have to show you here in a moment. There's 2 different ones. There's like 2 different kinds. They're both free and clear. So they're $11.99. The total for both of them is going to be $23.98 for both of them. But like I said, don't do this deal if you don't think it's worth it. Then you're going to go over to IBOTTA. Now make sure you get the right ones. You're going to have to get the one that's the all free and clear, the 88 fluid ounces. This is the regular one. You'll get $3 back on that one, the regular one. Then make sure in the store you pick up the all free and clear sensitive 88 fluid ounces. You'll know the difference because the sensitive has like a light blue top on it. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's already free and clear. How can we get it to be more free and clear? It's sensitive. I don't know. You're super allergic. So you're gonna get back from Ibotta $6.50 for buying those 2 items. So your total is going to come down to $17.48 for buying those 2 items. Now, the third item that you must buy, you can buy any item, but this is one I bought. This is the Lysol Crisp Linen Scented Laundry Sanitizer. These are $13.49 for the 90 ounce. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. So with that $3 coupon, it's going to make this Lysol $10.49. Now, your total for both of the all three of these items is going to be about $28. Remember, we're getting back that $10 gift card. So it's going to make your total a little, below $18, which is okay. So 3 of these items for about $18. You're spending about $6.30 on each item. So anyways, that is all I have for you today, guys. That was 18 easy deals at Target. Remember, if you have not checked out that printable breakdown in the description box, please do so. Also, when we reach 50 comments and you have liked, shared, subscribed, and commented on this video, you'll be entered into a $25 gift card for Target because we've reached 5,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I will see you guys next one when I head to Publix on Wednesday. I hope you have a great week. Thanks, guys. Bye.